Hello and welcome to All About Stocks. My name is Alan, and I wanted to give everyone my thoughts about Hood or Robinhood. And if y'all do remember, Robinhood was one of the first brokers back in late 2020 to be one of the first brokers to stop trading or quit offering crypto, stop offering crypto, and that did turn a lot of people off on Robinhood, and Reddit uh, kind of backlashed on that. So a lot of people were turned off on Robinhood. However, on the positive side on that, Robinhood was one of the first uh, brokers to offer free trading. So Jim Cramer, everyone happens to know Jim Cramer on CNBC. Jim Cramer is saying that Robinhood's a meme stock. Now, I can't agree or disagree with that due to the fact that Robinhood is that first broker to offer free trading. So it very well could be a meme stock due to the fact that everyone does know about it. It was that first initial broker to offer free trading. Now, I do still believe that a lot of people are still mad about it costing a lot of people money. They did, I believe it was I believe that when they stopped offering the crypto, I believe it wasn't Bitcoin. I believe it was Doge. I believe they also quit offering AMC, and I believe it did cost a lot of people money. I wasn't involved in that, so I can't tell you exactly which stocks it was, and I don't really trade too much with Robinhood. I do have an account with them, but the stocks I do have with them, I do hold, and I'm not really a day trader with the stocks I do have with them. Now, just like the stocks I have with the Webull, I do hold, and I'm just not much of a day trader. The ones I do trade, I'm more of an option trader. So my thoughts on Robinhood is I believe if you go and you buy Robinhood is be ready for a lot of volatility with it. Uh, just kind of like AMC when it first started out, be ready for it to jump around a lot. And if it does end up being a meme stock, great. It worked out great. If not, it it might end up jumping up in the beginning just like it did right here. It did sell off, and then you got the nice jump up right here where it hit the 50 or the 69. I'm sorry. So you got the nice jump up here, but now that it's selling off, you know, I just I'm not convinced that people are that excited about Robinhood. I think that if you're really interested in owning Robinhood, you're better off owning it in maybe an ETF. Art Kathy Wood loaded up on it, and right here, I think she bought something like 13.9 million share or 13.9 million shares, or maybe it's $13.9 million worth, something in that parameter worth of Robinhood. So maybe that might be the way to go. Maybe that might just be a little bit safer bet for you to go if you're wanting to own some form or fashion of Robinhood. Uh, if you're just dead set on owning specifically Robinhood, maybe just don't put all your eggs in one basket. Maybe buy a few shares and see if it dips, buy it on the dip. But if you're just wanting to see where it goes, maybe try the ETF side. That's probably how I'm going to do it. But once again, I'm not a financial advisor, so I'm just another person who's trying to. I'm just some guy at home. Don't don't take my advice. Once again, I'm not a financial advisor, so just do what you think's best. I'm just a person trying to make YouTube videos, but hopefully I tried to teach you something new. Maybe I gave you some good advice, maybe not. But hopefully you learned something new about Robinhood you didn't know. However, if you did like what you heard, please like and subscribe. And there are some links in the description down below for Robinhood and Webull. And have a great day. Thank you for listening.